As quoted by Edward Steichen, photography records the gamut of feelings written on the human face, the beauty of the earth and skies that man has inherited, and the wealth and confusion man has created. It is a major force in explaining man to man. As Steichen describes, photography is about conveying an emotion. Magic hour light is one of the ways in which photographers highlight the details less noticeable in the harsh daytime hours and capture the beauty and transformation that takes place in the wee hours of dawn and dusk. This time is known as the magic hour, or the golden hour. The magic hour is a special time of day that photographers of all genres covet for the best lighting. The light during these times has special characteristics. The intensity is very low. The light is diffused. The sky and the clouds reflect in amber, casting different hues and colors. The angle is unusual, as compared to most of the day, when the sun is generally above us. The colors in this scene are varied and more saturated than during other parts of the day. The shadows are long and mysterious, and the sky contains a variety of gradients from any one part to the other. These two half periods of the day are some of the best times to experiment and shoot in natural lighting. The magic hour has two approximate half-hour periods. The first period is the half hour after the sun rises above the horizon in the morning, also known as dawn or sunrise. The second period is the half hour before the sun sinks below the horizon in the late afternoon, also known as dusk or sunset. Magic hour lighting is sought after primarily for the many stimulating effects that it produces, which in turn convey an emotion through the still image or film. A few of these effects are warm light, softer light, saturated color, and shadow play. The first is warm light. The lighting provided by magic hour is warmer due to a milder version of the optical phenomenon known as alpenglow. This is basically when the Earth's own shadow casts a red band of backscattered light across the horizon. The second is softer light. Because the light is actually bending and bouncing all over the horizon, it is indirect. Indirect light is also softer light. The third is saturated color. The warmth of the magic hour light produces colors that are more saturated. This happens in film as well as in digital photography, producing a welcoming and relaxing effect. The final effect is shadow play. The angle in which the sunlight hits objects plays a major role in how and where shadows occur. During magic hour, you can find shadows are elongated and can add to the creativity and dimension of the photography. Here are a few helpful tips for capturing this magic hour effect in your own photography. Because this time of day doesn't last long, it is important to arrive to your shooting location early. This will help to ensure that you can capture that perfect lighting. Also, pay attention to your white balance setting. Make sure you change this setting to sunlight. If you avoid doing this, your camera will automatically adjust for the temperature and you won't be able to capture the desired effect. As quoted by Fire Magic, "It's that special time of day, that glorious hour at dawn or dusk, when the golden light of the sun is just beginning to rise or fall in the sky. The magic hour, when the light is perfect and the world around you is simply aglow. But it's more than that. Most of all, it's that moment, any moment in the day, when you stop to notice just how right everything is."